ticks are a growing threat to both dogs and humans around the world. They are especially widespread in Europe, North America, and parts of Asia, and even in Japan, cases are increasing, particularly in the western regions. These tiny parasites may be small, but they carry the potential to transmit serious diseases. Understanding the risks, symptoms, and preventive measures is essential for anyone with dogs or who spends time outdoors. Ticks typically hide in grasslands, forests, or mountainous areas, waiting to attach the skin of dogs or humans to feed on blood. Infections almost always occur in one direction, from ticks to dogs or humans. Direct transmission from dogs to humans or from humans to dogs is extremely rare. However, humans can inadvertently carry ticks into their homes, where the ticks may then attach to dogs, creating another potential route of exposure. This indirect route is an important consideration for people who frequently hike, camp, or walk through grassy areas with their pets. When a dog is bitten by a tick, the first signs are often mild, such as redness, swelling, or itching at the bite site. However, if the tick carries a pathogen, more serious symptoms can develop over several days. Infected dogs may experience fever, loss of appetite, lethargy, anemia, and jaundice. Severe illnesses such as babesiosis can become life-threatening. In some cases, dogs may also show neurological symptoms, including weakness or seizures. Because of these risks, early detection and prompt veterinary care are crucial whenever a tick is found attached to a dog or if any unusual symptoms appear. Humans can also experience serious health effects from tick bites. Symptoms often include high fever, fatigue, rash, vomiting, and diarrhea. Some tick-borne diseases are particularly dangerous. For example, severe fever with thrombocytopenia syndrome, or SFTS, has a high mortality rate, and cases are reported annually in Japan. Other illnesses such as Lyme disease can cause chronic joint pain, neurological symptoms, and long-term health complications if not treated promptly. It is therefore essential for anyone who has been bitten by a tick to monitor their health carefully and seek medical attention if any symptoms appear. Knowing when to seek help is critical for both dogs and humans. For dogs, if a tick is discovered attached to their skin, it is important not to attempt removal yourself, as this can leave parts of the tick embedded and increase the risk of infection. A veterinarian should remove the tick safely. If a dog develops fever, lethargy, changes in urine color, or other unusual signs within a few days of a tick bite, these may indicate an infection and veterinary care should be sought immediately. For humans, anyone who notices a tick bite or develops symptoms such as fever, rash, or extreme fatigue within days or even up to 2 weeks should see a doctor promptly and inform them of the possible tick exposure. Early intervention can prevent serious complications and improve outcomes. Prevention is the most effective way to reduce the risks of tick-borne disease. For dogs, monthly tick prevention medications are recommended. After outdoor activities, owners should check areas such as the ears, neck, armpits, and legs for ticks. Humans should protect themselves by wearing long sleeves and pants in areas where ticks are common and showering, and changing clothes immediately upon returning home. It is also important never to crush or pull ticks off with bare hands, as this can increase the risk of pathogen exposure. In conclusion, ticks may be small and easily overlooked, but they are highly dangerous parasites that pose risks to both dogs and humans. Awareness of the countries and regions where ticks are common, understanding the infection routes, recognizing symptoms, knowing when to seek medical or veterinary care, and taking proper preventive measures are all essential for safety. Daily checks, preventive treatments for pets, and cautious outdoor practices can go a long way in protecting both humans and their canine companions from these hidden threats. By staying vigilant and informed, we can ensure that our time outdoors and the health of our pups remains safe from the dangers of ticks. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, leave a comment below, share it, and subscribe for more dog content. See you next time.